Hi, I'm Moksha and this is my CS50 Python final project. I have made a transpiler which converts your simple instructions into executable Python code as you can see on your screen. To run, the user must type python project.py filename.txt into their command line terminal and we automatically check if it's the correct number of arguments. This is a sample code that reads the user's names and marks in three subjects and displays their name and total marks, which is the average of the three subject marks. Let's explore the code now. We begin with our main function. I have tried to structure the program in a modular way such that all the main function has to do is call out to the other functions. This is the accept user input function, which will exit the system if there are not two command line arguments. It requires only two, not more, not less. And if it is two command line arguments, then it will return the second command line argument to the main method. Next, we have the extract file name method, which basically takes the file name as an input, opens it. If it does not exist, it will print that the file has not been found and exit the system. And if the file does exist, it will split all the lines of the file and return the same. This is the transpile method, which reads the code line by line. First, it will strip the line for any white spaces. If the line is blank, it just continues and does not do anything further. If the first word of the line is read or display, it will go ahead and convert those lines into input or print statements. And if it's a normal Python line, it just adds it directly to the transpiled version. The extract args function is called by the transpile function, and this function basically returns the second token for any read or display line. Once all the transpile code has been put together, the execute function goes ahead and executes it and catches any error, runtime error that might occur. So that was the mini transpiler. Thank you so much.